Are you looking for the perfect side dish to go with your turkey dinner? Well, look no further because today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a sweet potato casserole. If you'd like some more holiday recipes that you can feed your family, please consider subscribing to my channel. Welcome back to Zested Foods. My name is Christine and this channel is all about strengthening the family one meal at a time. In the comments below, let me know, are you a fan of marshmallows on your sweet potato casserole? Yes? For our sweet potato casserole, we're going to need anywhere between 3 and 4 pounds of sweet potatoes, which could be 3 large or 4 small. And we're going to roast these in the oven because I feel like when we roast the sweet potato, it just enhances their flavor. But if you don't want to roast them, you certainly can peel them and boil them on the stove. I just think that when you boil them, it just adds an extra liquid, more moisture to the potato that I don't like. That's why we're going to roast them. So to roast the potato, what we're going to do is we've washed them off and we're going to take our fork and we're going to prick a few holes into each of the potatoes before we bake them. That prevents them from exploding in the oven. Roast your potatoes in a preheated 400-degree oven anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, or until you can stick a knife into it without any resistance. When the potatoes are cool enough to touch, slice them in half and scoop out the potatoes into a bowl. Mash up your potatoes until they're nice and smooth. To the mashed potatoes, add half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of softened butter. To a greased casserole dish, go ahead and add your mashed potato mixture. And bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. For the topping, add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1/3 cup of butter. Mix everything together with a fork. After the 20 minutes, remove the casserole from the oven. Place the topping on top of the potatoes. Bake the potatoes in the oven for 45 minutes. Once your casserole comes out of the oven, you are now ready to serve it up with your turkey dinner. If you want the full written recipe, please check out the description below, and we will see you guys in the next video.